woke up to a very nice and sunny day. So we're gonna pack up the tent and have breakfast in the motel. Morning, Eric!
Hi, good morning.
Everything packed up?
Everything packed up.
And what now?
We're gonna eat something. We do a breakfast here at the beautiful restaurant.
Because
we don't have anything left. We eaten all our spare food, so.
And the next stop is in 220 kilometers.
Hopefully they got something like a grocery store there that we can buy some groceries for tomorrow morning. It's nice to have our own breakfast, but not. We're gonna eat us here.
Nice.
Round.
Round.
Everything ready for the go?
Almost.
Almost.
It has to be
Stretching and packing.
tight, yeah.
Oh, let me give you a hand. Give me a second.
What is this bug?
Is it a bug? I don't know what it is.
It is a bug. People, we're going back to British Columbia. And here's a big wall for our sticker. All right. British Columbia. Here we come.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Beneath Roadrunner. And to be clear, this is another British Columbia sign than on the way up, because now we're starting the Stuart Cassiar Highway down to Vancouver, and here is our sticker. What are you doing?
Put our sticker on this.
We are at Jade City, where it's really pretty. We had a nice break, and now we're on the bathtub. So today we really stretched it because we came from Teslin and we wanted to do 360 kilometers to Jade City, but it was nice weather, it was a nice day, so we thought maybe we should go further because this night it's going to rain and it's getting gray, and we thought, well, maybe we can drive another 100 kilometers and get to a bigger city. And now we got to this campground, so we drove like 470 kilometers today, and we got this place where we can put it up under the tent, so if it rains tonight everything stays dry.
Yeah.
And what we drove today in dry weather, we don't have to drive tomorrow in the rain. So
here we go.
we're gonna put up the tents.
Hey Nadie, you are blowing the air mattresses, right? We're lucky because we are under the roof now, you see? And we got beautiful flowers, and well, we got a table. Oh, it's really beautiful.
Here in Nugget City.
Yeah.
So you can see there's the gas. In Watson Lake there's also gas. But then you have to go up and there's no gas. But there is Dease Lake in the middle at kilometer 488. And there's again gas. At Dease Lake and just tanked some gas, because this is the one stop after Watson Lake and Nugget City to get gas, and it's full of stickers. And now ours is here. Malzo Motors were in Dease Lake.
Oh, We are taking here, you see all kind of adventure riders and people have to do something with nature. Friends from all over the place are coming here for coffee to fill up and get back on the road.
On Dees Lake we rode to Meziadin Junction via the Stuart Cassiar Highway. But when we came there it was raining cats and dogs and it was already a little dark outside, and we heard that we couldn't camp at the campground because there were too many bears around. The only way to stay in were kind of like barracks where working men stayed. There were single rooms without any showers and they were very expensive. So we decided to drive ahead to Stewart. It was raining so bad. My hands are soaked. So
My feet, my toes, everything.
we drove to Stewart and we took a hotel. This afternoon we were in Meziadin Junction and
Junction.
we were already soaked. So we were looking for a room.
There was more water on my clothes as in the Mississippi River. I tell you.
I said there was like a motel for work people and the guy said I have only rooms for one person.
One person.
And one room for one person was $101.70.
There was no choice because the other village town is about 60 kilometers in the wrong direction. To go back is 100 kilometers in the wrong direction, and to go further is 200 kilometers.
And to
you
go
don't
further,
want to drive. You don't want to drive at 200 kilometers in the rain.
And there's no service
No
anywhere. And there's also no Wi-Fi. So when you are like at a gas station or something,
But it was something
they
else.
sell you Wi-Fi for like $6 half an hour.
And you can get a place, a spot on the campground, but there were a lot of bears in that area and they don't take any tourists anymore at this moment as long as the bears are there. So you can choose to put your tent somewhere in the wilderness and you don't know sure if you wake up the next morning. So we choose the shortest way to drive another 60 kilometers in the rain. It was raining cats and dogs.
It was raining so bad.
To a little place called Stewart. And here we got a hotel room with 2 single beds. Van Houten a coffee and
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi for free.
And well, everybody told us to go to Stewart because it seems to be a very nice place, but it's in between 2 mountains, so it's in a canyon, and now everything is misty and rainy, so you don't see anything. We drove along a really big glacier, that's Salmon Glacier, and it was very cold there.
Cold, oh I tell you.
But now we're here and I'll show you our stuff. Butter.
On our hotel room.
And everything's gonna dry now.
So we're ready for today.
So this is the view in the morning when it's dry a bit.
It is. And you will be surprised about the big mountains up here. But to be honest, I make a movie already on my GoPro, but we got 2 movies down.
Okay. Tonight we slept in King Edward Hotel in Stewart. And there were lots of more adventure riders. You see, old friends, new roads.
Seba Argentina, here we got him again. Julio Lopez.
These are our Harley friends.
old friends, new roads, that's right, eh? And now we put our sticker on it, when I got it, right here, from the Netherlands.
And the man at the reception said, this door is just new. It got replaced. Before that it was full of stickers, so we're now one of the first
New ones.
to go next.
New ones, still.
So we wanted to leave Stewart, but Eric's bike just stuttered again and it didn't take any power, so it didn't went any faster than 50 kilometers.
So then we have to turn this right? Okay, what's that?
That's the fuel. What's that piece of plastic? Yeah, wait.
There's plastic in it.
Pretty good in there. I don't see any water.
No.
It's so far away. Shipping kills us already.
You have to do it here, right?
Test drive to see if there's... Well, it sounds quite normal.
Already.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can tell already.
Hey, that's pretty good. It sounds so good.
No sound, huh?
No sounds. Well, better.
That's not how it came in the garage.
No.
Can you imagine they just changed somebody's fuel pump? Can you imagine somebody just changed the fuel pump in one leg?
It works.
Works. One more time, okay? To be safe.
Yeah.
See you later.
Well, I think it never sounded this good. Because you were going faster and it started again?
Yeah, when I was out, it makes more noise. That's not good. With the rain yesterday.
Yeah. Wow, there's water in the spark plugs.
Somebody should have greased your boots before they put it back together. It's actually probably that.
So there was water in the boots of the coil, and that should hurt the ignition. So maybe he cleaned it and he greased it.
It's unbelievable with this guy. It's unbelievable with this guy here in Stewart. I think we have to buy him some roses. Well, till so far, we're just testing it right now, and I think it should be okay. There will be water at the spark plugs, and I don't know how to get there. Nobody knows how to get there, but it was there. And that's why one of the cylinders was not going down on the right time.
Grumpy Bear Repair. He helps people on the road with a problem. This is just the glacier you'll see when you drive up to Stewart.